Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Guys, this video lecture is regarding to Islamic studies, previous CSS solved MCQs, and these MCQs are frequently asked by Federal Public Service Commission in their examination. So all those candidates who are preparing for PPSC, APSC, NTS or KPPC must watch this video. Let's start. Question number 1. Which surah start without Bismillah? Surah Al-Tuba. The answer is Surah Al-Tuba. A male is kafan in 3 dressed sheets. Amount of zakat cannot be used in mosque, while madrasa and hospital is allowed. You can use zakat amount in madrasa and hospital. What is Sahihain? Bukhari and Muslim Sharif. Jihad become mandatory in 2 after Hijrah. Which one is called Masharul Haram, Muzdalifah Valley? Who is the first martyr in Islam? Hazrat Sumayya radhiyallahu anha was the first martyr of Islam. Who first embraced Islam among women? Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anha. What is Islam? Islam is the kissing of Hijri Aswad. Who collected Quranic verses in one place? It was Hazrat Usman radhiyallahu anhu. How much surah the Quran contains? 114 surah. The nisab of zakat in gold is 7.5 tola. 7.5. A verse of the Holy Quran indicate the name of Hazrat Zaid radhiyallahu anhu. A Muslim female is kafan in 5 sheets. The original name of Imam Bukhari is Muhammad bin Ismail. Makkah was conquered in 8 after Hijrah. Qurbani is made during judgment in the age of Hajj. Jami Mina. Qurbani is made during Hajj in Mina. Jamia Quran is taken for Hazrat Usman radhiyallahu anhu. Fierce caliphate lasted for about 30 years. Gathering on Arafat during Hajj is made on 9th Zilhijjah. How many stages the Quran contains? 7 stages in the Quran. Who was the first writer of Wahi in Quraysh? It was Hazrat Ibn Masud radhiyallahu anhu. Kitabul Asar is compiled by Imam Abu Hanifa. Kitabul Asar, Imam Abu Hanifa. Imam Shafi took the office of religious judgment in the age of 15 years. What was the name of foster sister of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? Hazrat Shima radhiyallahu anha. Namaz Istisqa is prayer for rain. Who is called Saki Zamzam? Hazrat Abba radhiyallahu anhu. The kissing of Hijri Aswad is called Istilam. What is the number of Ramadan in Islamic calendar? Its number is 9th. Gave the name who compiled first work of Hadith Sharif. Hadith Sahifa Siddiqa. It was Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radhiyallahu anhu. Who advised Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu to compile the Quran? It was Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu. Hazrat Usman radhiyallahu anhu, not Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu. The nisab of zakat in silver is 52.5 tola. The Prophet, peace be upon him, made Hazrat Maaz bin Jabal the governor of Yemen. Who is the Sahibain? Abu Yusuf and Imam Shebani are Sahibain. Hajj is not completed unless you go to Arafat. Kitabul Ummah is written by Imam Shafi. Kitabul Ummah, Imam Shafi. The foundation of Baitul Hikmah was laid during Abbasid period. Umayyad dynasty. What is the number of month Rajab in Islamic calendar? It is 7 number. It is on 7 number. First Mujaddid was Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Who was the second one? Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi was the second Mujaddid Al-Fisani. Sahifa Hammam bin Munabbih was found by Dr. Hamidullah. In which surah of Quran there is mention of Zulqarnain? Al-Kahf. Muslim are the best of the all due to moderation. Sahib Sair is the nickname of Hazrat Khuzaimah radhiyallahu anhu. Masjid Khif is located in Mina. Ghasilul Malaika is the title of Hazrat Khanzala Anhu, who was appointed as Usher for Hijrati Medina. Hazrat Abdullah bin Ariqat Anhu, who was the historian, jurist, philosopher, as well as politician, Abdurrahman bin Ibn Khaldun. When law of inheritance was revealed, 4 Hijri. Who was the last commander-in-chief of Ghazwa Mauta? It was Hazrat Khalid bin Walid. It was the 4th and last commander. The first 3 commanders were martyred. Imam Darul Hijrat is the title of Imam Malik. The word Muhammad Sallallahu as the name has been mentioned in the Holy Quran 4 times. Khatibul Anbiya is the title of Hazrat Shuaib alayhi salam. Hazrat Umar appointed as custodian of Baitul Mal Abdullah bin Masood. The effective zakat system can ensure the elimination of poverty. A verse of the Holy Quran indicates the name of Hazrat Zayd anhu. Masjid Zul Qiblatain is situated in Medina. Who was the historian, jurist, philosopher, as well as the politician? Abdurrahman bin Ibn Khaldun. Which surah of Quran has Bismillah twice? It's Surah Al-Naml has twice Bismillah. Had a qadab, false accusation is 80 lashes. After Ada bin Hatam Tai embraced Islam in 9th Hijri. Wealth obtained from a mine is liable to humus, 5th part, humus. Sadqa Eid al-Fitr has been proclaimed in the year of 2 after Hijri. Imam Dar al-Hijrat was the title of Imam Malik. The seal affixed on important letter by Prophet ﷺ was in the custody of Hazrat Huzaifa. Aminul Ummat is the title of Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah. River Nil was declared as Sayyidul Anhar by Hazrat Umar. Al-Masakin was the title given to one of the wives of Prophet ﷺ. It was Hazrat Zainab binti Khazima. Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ gave the key of Baitullah permanently to Hazrat Usman bin Talha. Arafat gathering is held on 9th Zilhijjah. Which one of the following is included amongst the Ashra Mubashira? Saad bin Abi Waqas. Bata Valley is situated in Makkah. The longest surah of Quran is Holy Quran is Surah Al-Baqarah. Al-Main is a surah in which there are 100 splitting up. In Al-Main there is a surah there is less than 100 ayah. Arba'in is the book of a hadith in which there are 40 hadiths. Fatwa Qazi Hill is an authentic book of Hanfi, Fiqh Hanfi. Fiqh garden bestowed to the holy prophet as Fay. Splitting of moon occurred in Mina. The event is described in Surah Nur. The prophet, peace be upon him, stem comprises Allah, Rasul, Muhammad. Quba Mosque has been mentioned in Surah Al-Tuba. The title given to the pioneer of Islam was As-Sabiqun al-Awwalun. The meaning of Yas-Sabahu is good morning declaration. The master of Hazrat Bilal during embracing Islam was Umayyah bin Khalaf. Ashabus Sabat means Jews. The number of famous months are 4. The head of Zakat are 8. Muazzatain means 2 specific surah of Quran. Uzza was the name of a specific goddess of Quraysh. Liyan is a clause of Islamic law. Jabal Nur is situated in none of these. Mention the religious book of Buddhism. It is Veena Pataka, Sata Pataka, Abhidaman Pataka. All of these are the religious book of Buddhism. What was the religious of the majority of the Arabs before Islam? It was idolaters, Buddhaparast. The name of the son of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam whose offspring are Jews, Yahuda. Which book is called Old Testament, Torah? Number of idol fixed around the Kaaba, 360. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born about 3000 years after Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Who suggested name Ahmad for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? It was suggested by his mother. When Hazrat Umar embraced Islam, it was 616 AD. Zu Shahadatain is the title of Hazrat Khuzaimah bin Sabit. Which country is known as the land of Prophet? It is Palestine. What is Tahleel? Recitation of first kalma. Name the 8th month of Islamic calendar. It is Shaban. 9th Zil-Hijjah is also called Banu. 9th Zil-Hijjah is also called Waquf Arafat of Ohad. Name of the first man who issued regular order to collect and write a hadith. To which tribe Hazrat Wali Ratan who belonged? It was Banu Makhzum. Which Sahabi was died in the Holy Prophet? Which Sahabi was died in Hazrat Umair bin Abdul Aziz? He has resemblance with the Holy Prophet. The declaration of third period of compilation of hadith is 171 to 220 after Hijrah. Surah Hajj consists of 10 ruku and 78 ayah. Surah Saba is Makki. Who considered the Quran as the creature of Allah? Mu'tazila. So guys, this was the end of the lecture. For such type of more lecture, please subscribe my channel.